Hi class, we have the sixth lesson for binomial expansion. The question is to find the coefficient of x cubed in this binomial. We have 2 plus x to the power 7. If you don't know about a specific term, you'll have to expand fully before you can think of having the term in x cubed. Sometimes the question paper will say, find the coefficient of x cubed, or sometimes they will say find the coefficient of the term in x cubed, or sometimes they will say find the particular term, whether it is the fourth term, fifth term, eighth term, and so on. So our concern here now is which term that can give us x cubed. We have cases that or points that you need to understand in binomial. One, if the power is like this, just say plus 1. Like this 7th power, if you say plus 1, what do we get? We get 8. That tells you that if you expand fully, we are going to get 8 terms. That is something that is very, very important to note in binomial. If you have like 3 minus x, someone asks you, if you expand fully, how many terms you are going to get? Just say 5 plus 1 is 6. If I expand fully, I will get 6 terms. Now, if the power is 3, which term is that? Well, just give it 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means it is the fourth term. You want to see something? Now let's say the power is 2 here. Okay. You expand this, it will give you 9 minus 6x plus x squared. And let us say this is now our question. The question is, what is the term in x squared? 1, 2, 3. You see, x squared, but it is the third term because power 2 plus 1 is 3. It is the third term. So if we need x cubed here, which term is x cubed? Just say 3 plus 1 is 4. That is what? The fourth term. But mind you, there is a catch here. What is the technique? What is the secret here? The constant comes before the variable. If the variable comes before the constant, that is the opposite. See it here. X plus 3. If you expand this, what do we get? We get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Yeah. But the good thing is that if you are given a question like this, and what that you've got used to is something like this, you can simply say 3 plus x. Simple. Or this one, having expanded this one, you rewrite it starting from this to this to this. It will still give you the same thing. Okay. So now let's see what we have here. Now this one we have, let us say this one implies the general form of a binomial. That is a plus b to the power n. So we say correspondingly, so a is 2, b is x, n is 7. So which term is this one? This power we have is the r. So just say r, that is the power, plus 1. So what is our r? Our r is 3 plus 1. So this is the fourth term. So if the question says, what is the coefficient of x cubed? So now the question is like, what is the coefficient of the fourth term? I hope it is clear. All right. So the general term is r plus 1. You see the fourth term, where r is the power, 3 plus 1 is 4. The general term of any binomial expansion is n combination r, yeah, a to the power n minus r, b to the r. This is the general term. So if the power here is 3, which is r, so it's like we are going for the fourth term. So what is n? N is 7. What is r? R is the power, which is 3. What is a? A is 2. N minus r. N is 7 minus r, which is 3. B. B is x to the power r. What is r? R is 3. I hope you get it, eh? So what is 7 combination 3? From your calculator, 4 factorial, 3 factorial. Because n combination r is n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. But the previous videos, I did how to find it directly using the calculator. But if you want to exercise, well, this one gets to the top. So 7 gets to the top. N minus r, 7 minus 3 to give us 4. R factorial, 3 factorial. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So 4 factorial takes away 4 factorial. What is 3 factorial? It's 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So 3 factorial is equivalent to 6. 7 times 5 is 35. So all this waste of time is something you can do with your calculator and say what 7 combination 3. 7 according to this calculator, combination, look at it here, NCR combination, NPR permutation. So we need combination, but the color is yellow. So you press this. So combination 3, what do you see? 35. Okay. So this is 2 to the power 7 minus 3 is 4 x power 4. So 35, 2 to the power 4 is 16 x to the power 4. Yes. So 35 times 16. 35 times 16, 560. So 560 x to the power 4. Sometimes they will say, find the fourth term. Look at the fourth term. It is the same procedure. The only thing, when we say fourth term, you don't need to find which term because they have already told you fourth term. Yes. So, but if the question says what? Find the coefficient of x cubed or find the coefficient of the term in x cubed, the exact procedure. So now, what is the coefficient now? The coefficient is 560. All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.